everybody. Today I'm gonna show you the easy way to make the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Super easy, 5 ingredients, that's it. And it comes out, man, is it delicious? It's a little crunchy, it's a little different. I'm gonna macro it out perfectly so you can see exactly how I measure my food. And I'll even show you on my phone, bleep, blop, bleep, bloop, entering the macros, all that fun shit. So here we go. First ingredient, we have organic blueberries. Ooh, I'm gonna use a couple of those. You can use raspberries, you can use any fruit you like. You can use a little bit of a banana. Organic creamy peanut butter. I like crunchy, but right now all we have is creamy, so that's that. We got some organic Concord grape fruit spread, Simply Balanced. This is Target's, so organic chia seeds. It's in a container that my girlfriend loves to put things on and labels, so I don't know if this is organic or not, but probably. And then we have my favorite bread, Dave's Killer Bread, organic. This stuff's awesome. So these are the main 5 ingredients. You can get a different jelly, you can get almond butter, you can get a different peanut butter, you can get crunchy. It doesn't have to be organic, but organic is always recommended. So these are the 5 ingredients. Now let's dig into the nitty gritty. So we're gonna take our bread. As you can see, you guys are the apple of my eye. Just wanna let you know that. So here we go. So I'm gonna tear this because I don't care about the weight of the bread. So I'm gonna weigh out, you can see right here, we got a little number. I'm gonna get this bad boy as close to 32 grams as possible. Uh-oh. Spilled a little. So here we go, 32 grams, okay? Now we're gonna add our jelly. This is 19 grams, so we're gonna tear this again. Peanut butter and jelly. I mean, if you guys aren't excited for the perfect peanut butter and jelly, then I don't know what to tell you, man. You guys are weird. All right, so putting this back to 0. Now we're gonna get our 12 grams of chia seeds. Close enough. Now we're gonna place, do this. We're gonna put our blueberries on here. Okay, you know what? I just got a hard workout in. Feeling a little saucy today. Let me do 10 blueberries. Okay, 23 grams. Now we know all our numbers. We put this on here. We give it a nice little pushy whooshy because we don't want chia seeds flying everywhere. Oh no, chia seeds. See, that's what we don't want. Chia seeds everywhere, but look at that. That is gonna be delicious. I promise you, this is one of the better peanut butter jelly sandwiches you'll ever have.